Page 78. And this is a combination of exercises 4.3, 4.4, and 4.5, all rolled into one. It's all talking about the same thing. And that is for using a technique, which I've taught many times, of weight distribution, of rolling the hand. We've already discussed this. Look at this exercise on page 78. Left hand, you see these eighth notes? All you're doing is rotating. You're just doing and the real thing is a very slight movement, but when you first learn to do it, you can exaggerate that so you get the idea. You can't see it very well from up above the camera, but it's here. I'll try and exaggerate it so you can see it. And we use their fingering, it's 3, but you can still rotate. That's really what you're doing here. You're not using individual fingers to push the notes down. You're rotating the hand to push them down. So you get the same thing in the right hand. Second line, third measure here. Now here they're telling you to connect the notes because it's got a stem going up. That's a quarter note. So that means you would connect it. But when you first start out learning it, don't. Rotate the hand and play them all eighth notes. See that half note? You got to hold that down. But eventually you want to go back and play those quarter notes as quarter notes. So you work it out really, really slow and get this technique of rotating. This is very important. It really is. And it's easy to do once you get the hang of it. It's just, it takes a while to get the hang of it. But I would encourage you, like you're doing in the right hand, connecting the notes, I'd encourage you to do that in the left hand for practice. Now when you play the piece, you may not do it, but for practice, it doesn't. It's good finger control if you can learn to do that eventually. But more important is to get this rolling thing down. This piece is not too bad as a piece to learn. It's a really nice piece. It's a really sweet piece. You have to get the phrasing in. That phrasing's march. You're just up and down on those phrases and you'll be fine with it. You got a few accidentals to look out for, otherwise it's in C major. Follow their fingering, it's okay.